Hello, cycling enthusiasts. Today, we're excited to introduce the BESPORTBLE Bike Cargo Rack, a versatile and durable solution for all your biking adventures. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this rear seat post shelf is designed to withstand the rigors of both mountain and road biking. Its lightweight, compact design ensures easy transportation, while the quick-release feature allows for effortless installation and removal. Perfect for carrying suitcases, baskets, or any gear you need, this movable and fixed rack makes short trips incredibly convenient. With its robust construction, it fits most bikes, making it an ideal choice for both road and mountain bikers. Experience the freedom of carrying more on your rides with this reliable and long-lasting bike luggage carrier. Don't let anything hold you back. Equip your bike with the BESPORTBLE Cargo Rack and hit the road with confidence. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.